Welcome to our channel AutoDrive. Picture the moment this aircraft comes into view, because the 2026 Boeing 747 is designed to make an impression before it even leaves the ground. This airplane builds on decades of aviation history, taking one of the most recognizable airframes ever created and reimagining it for a future-focused world. It still feels like a 747 the instant you see it, with that legendary hump-backed upper deck and massive wingspan, but everything about it is cleaner, smoother, and more refined. Boeing's idea here is not to reinvent the identity of the Queen of the Skies, but to perfect it using modern technology, smarter materials, and lessons learned from generations of widebody aircraft. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 version focuses heavily on aerodynamic efficiency. The fuselage has been subtly reshaped to reduce drag, with smoother panel transitions and improved surface coatings that reduce resistance as the aircraft cuts through the air. The wings are longer and more advanced than any previous 747 generation, built using a mix of high-strength aluminum alloys and carbon fiber composites. These wings are designed to flex more naturally during flight, which reduces structural fatigue and improves overall efficiency. At the wingtips, next-generation raked winglets help improve lift-to-drag ratio, especially during cruise, allowing the aircraft to maintain high efficiency even on ultra-long-haul routes. The engines are one of the most important upgrades and arguably the heart of this aircraft's performance improvements. Instead of older generation power plants, the 2026 Boeing 747 is envisioned with ultra-high bypass turbofan engines that deliver more thrust while burning significantly less fuel. These engines are optimized for long-duration cruising at high altitudes, which is exactly where the 747 spends most of its life. Noise levels are dramatically reduced compared to older models, both inside the cabin and on the ground, making this aircraft much more airport-friendly. For airlines, this means compliance with stricter noise regulations and lower fuel bills, while passengers benefit from a smoother, quieter ride from takeoff to landing. In terms of raw performance, this aircraft remains a true long-haul champion. It is capable of flying non-stop for more than 8,000 nautical miles, connecting cities on opposite sides of the globe without refueling. The cruising speed remains impressive, allowing airlines to maintain efficient schedules on high-demand intercontinental routes. Despite its size, the aircraft handles remarkably well thanks to advanced fly-by-wire systems that enhance stability and responsiveness. These systems constantly monitor flight conditions and make micro-adjustments to control surfaces, ensuring smooth handling even in turbulence or challenging weather. One of the defining strengths of the Boeing 747 has always been its payload capability, and the 2026 version takes that even further. In passenger configuration, it can accommodate a wide range of seating layouts, from high-density economy-focused cabins to ultra-premium long-haul arrangements with spacious business and first-class sections. Airlines have the flexibility to tailor the interior to their specific market needs, which is increasingly important in a rapidly changing aviation industry. In cargo configuration, the aircraft remains unmatched. The iconic nose loading door is still present, allowing oversized and heavy cargo to be loaded directly into the main deck. This makes the aircraft invaluable for transporting industrial equipment, aircraft parts, vehicles, and even space or military hardware. The cockpit represents a complete technological leap forward while still respecting the operational philosophy pilots trust. Large, high-resolution digital displays replace older instrument clusters, consolidating critical flight data into clear, easy-to-read screens. Advanced avionics systems provide real-time weather updates, terrain awareness, and traffic monitoring, enhancing safety and situational awareness. Automation plays a bigger role, with intelligent systems assisting in everything from fuel management to descent planning, but the aircraft is still designed to give pilots full control when needed. This balance between automation and human input is key, ensuring safety without removing the pilot from the decision-making process. Maintenance and reliability are also major focus areas for the 2026 Boeing 747. Built-in health monitoring systems constantly analyze the condition of engines, avionics, and structural components. These systems can predict potential issues before they become serious problems, allowing airlines to schedule maintenance more efficiently and reduce unexpected downtime. This not only saves money but also improves overall fleet reliability, which is critical for large, long-haul aircraft that operate on tight international schedules. Inside the cabin, the experience is designed to feel noticeably more modern and comfortable than earlier generations. Boeing's latest interior concepts emphasize openness and passenger well-being. Larger windows let in more natural light, reducing the feeling of confinement on long flights. LED lighting systems adjust throughout the journey, mimicking natural daylight patterns to help passengers stay comfortable and reduce jet lag. The cabin layout feels more spacious thanks to redesigned overhead bins and slimmer sidewalls, giving passengers more room without increasing the aircraft's external dimensions. Seating comfort is improved across all classes. Economy seats are ergonomically designed with better lumbar support and more efficient use of space, making long flights more bearable even for budget travelers. Premium economy and business class offer enhanced privacy, wider seats, and improved in-flight entertainment systems with larger, higher-resolution screens. The upper deck, long considered one of the most special areas of the 747, becomes an even more exclusive space, often configured as a premium lounge or business class cabin with a quiet, private atmosphere. Air quality and cabin noise are areas where passengers will notice immediate benefits. Advanced air filtration systems refresh cabin air more frequently, helping reduce dryness and fatigue during long flights. Improved insulation and vibration dampening materials make the aircraft significantly quieter, even during takeoff and landing. This creates a calmer environment that allows passengers to rest, work, or enjoy entertainment without constant background noise. A key unique selling point of the 2026 Boeing 747 is its unmatched versatility. Few aircraft can seamlessly switch between roles the way the 747 can. It can serve as a high-capacity passenger jet on busy international routes, a dedicated cargo hauler for global logistics networks, or even a specialized aircraft for government, military, or VIP transport. This adaptability ensures that the aircraft remains relevant even as airline strategies evolve. Sustainability is another important aspect of this modernized design. While it remains a four-engine aircraft, which naturally consumes more fuel than smaller twin-engine jets, the 2026 version is engineered to be far more environmentally responsible than its predecessors. It is fully compatible with sustainable aviation fuels, and its systems are optimized to minimize fuel burn and emissions wherever possible. Smarter flight planning and real-time performance optimization help reduce unnecessary fuel usage, making each flight more efficient. Ultimately, the 2026 Boeing 747 is about more than just specifications and numbers. It represents the idea that iconic engineering can evolve without losing its soul. This aircraft carries with it a sense of grandeur and capability that few others can match. When it taxis, takes off, or cruises at altitude, it still commands attention and respect. For aviation enthusiasts, it's a celebration of a legendary design brought into the modern era. For airlines, it's a powerful, flexible tool capable of handling missions that no other aircraft can perform quite as well. And for passengers, it's an experience that blends the romance of classic aviation with the comfort and technology expected in the modern age.